Not a lot of stores or restaurants are open today, January 1, 2026, first day of the new year. We're trying this 22 burger. Let's see what we will order. We scan the QR code and the menu will pop up. You can pay additional for only drinks and fries and other meat. Let's order. What did we get? 2 meals. Chicken burger with fries and only drink. 2 pieces chicken with beef burger. Manganta yon. We are at Louis Cafe. Let's see what they have. Louisa sells different types of coffee. Ground coffee, mugs, cups, tumblers, and an eco bag. They also have different pastry. And coffee. What will we have while studying? Let's see. This is their menu. They have sandwiches, and different types of drink. What will we order? Let's see. They have the tut machine. Let's get their specialty. And we'll get the classic cheesecake. And this is what we got. Cheesecake and their signature coffee. Let's work.